What's up, Z? I'm just counting the money Rock gave me. I can finally buy a new phone.
But how? Your phone broke.
I'll just borrow Cela's phone and have it delivered here.
Oh. I wonder how Rock got that money.
Me too. Wanna go spy on it? Let's learn Rock's secrets.
What are you guys doing here? It's elimination time!
Oh, what? We're doing nothing suspicious. Just some people hanging out in a bush.
Well, I'm only here for Z, so you can continue whatever you're doing. Hey guys, welcome to the elimination!
Why is the elimination area just us sitting on the cliff? We don't even have chairs.
You should be more grateful. This is a very nice spot. Anyways, we got 10 votes. If you have the most votes, you'll be eliminated. Aiden, you are the first contestant safe with 0 votes. Here's some cake.
Oh, I'm a fan favorite.
Another fan favorite is Cela with 0 votes as well.
Ow! My flame! What the heck, Blob? At least I'm safe.
Cevin and Z, you are the bottom 2.
What? Why would people vote for me? I'm nice.
Let's read some comments on why people voted for you guys. Bozo says, I find Cevin funny, so B.
Yeah, let's go.
Factor Guy 9224 says A because he mean.
What? How am I mean? I'm taking anger management classes. You can't even use correct grammar.
Well, Z, being nice won't cut it because you received 6 votes. Cevin got 4 votes.
Ha! Take that. Sorry.
I guess that's what happens when you use your own kind to draw on.
But wait! I only use stone paper!
What happened to Z?
No comment.
Guys, what's up? I was on my daily jog up the mountain, then I saw you guys. Guys, where's Z?
She's gone now.
Oh,
It's okay, Mandy. She's alive. I think.
Dude, Faith dead, right? Like, so, when's the next challenge?
This is your next challenge. You're all in your own hot air balloons. You've been given rocks to throw at others. If your hot air balloon gets popped or if you fall off, you're up for elimination. The last 2 standing, floating, are safe. The other 5 are up for elimination. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, Marshan, you should team up.
Yeah, but who else should be on our team?
can I join your guys' alliance?
The more the merrier. Ow! Again?
Rock, are you aiming for the hot air balloon or Cela?
Hey, what do you want? No, it's a rock tummy rean. Yeah!
Kinda weird that Rock's using their family members as weapons. I guess. Wanna be on a team though?
Ibubog ako chicks mo tutoy. Mabuti pang kita makita sa comment ko kung pagkatapusan mo na.
I'm gonna take that as a yes.
You know what? You want war, Rock? I'll give you war.
Guys, I think it's starting to rain.
Oh my god! Who would have known?
Hey, I think I see Aiden and Cevin coming towards us.
Fire!
Warbang attack!
What should we do?
Aim at the one that doesn't look dead inside.
Hey!
GG.
Wait, that's against the rules.
I never said you couldn't do that.
Fight me!
Y'all thought you could get rid of me that easily?
Cevin, do something. How she is strong.
What do you want me to do?
Anything.
now it's 2 versus 1.
Yeah, bro. Other than the sounds, I guess. No!
Dang it.
Avenge me, Cela!
How dare you get a
Can't get me now. Take that. I'm coming for you, Cela. Why did I end up here? Can it end already?
My arm! Rock, don't you dare. No!
What?
Cevin and Cela win this challenge. Pretty coincidental how both of their names start with C and E.
I just landed onto Lukey's hot air balloon.
Viewers, vote for a contestant you'd like to be eliminated by commenting with capital letter and square brackets. Voting ends in 48 hours.
Whoa, looks like we landed on the beach.
I hope we get a vacation next challenge.
cannonball! Oh god, the water is freezing!